CSP in Intune. The Enrollment Status Page helps track the progress of app installation and policies during the enrollment process. ESP ensures that all necessary configurations and apps are installed before the device becomes available for use, enhancing security and user experience. Here, key components of ESP implementation with Windows CSPs. 1. Enrollment Status Tracking CSP. Path, Vendor MSFT Enrollment Status Tracking. Purpose, tracks the installation of Microsoft Intune management extensions, Win32 apps assigned to users or devices, supported versions, Windows 10 version 1903 and later 2. First Sync Status CSP, Path, /vendor MSFT DM client provider ID first sync status. Purpose delivers the ESP payload from Intune to the device, including required apps, MS Store for business apps, Wi-Fi profiles, MSI apps, and ESP certificates. Policies for Microsoft Edge, kiosk browser, and assigned access. Supported versions, Windows 10 version 1709 and later. Steps to create and configure ESP in Microsoft Intune. 1. Open Intune Admin Center. Go to https://intune.microsoft.com/. Navigate to Devices, Windows Enrollment, Enrollment Status Page. 2. Create a new ESP profile. Under Settings, choose a profile. 3. Configure ESP options. Set Show App and Profile Installation Progress to Yes. Enable block device use until all apps and profiles are installed for critical deployments. 4. Select and block apps if necessary. Choose Selected for the block device use setting. Click Select Apps. Choose the apps. Click Select. Save. Note, only block essential apps needed for security or optimal user experience. Best practices for ESP configuration. Block only essential apps that are required for security or productivity. Avoid overblocking apps to prevent delays during enrollment. Use the First Sync Status CSP to ensure ESP things are correctly delivered to the device, including Wi-Fi, certificates, and critical policies. Summary. Implementing the Enrollment Status Page, ESP, in Intune ensures that devices are fully configured before becoming available to users. By leveraging the Enrollment Status Tracking CSP and First Sync Status CSP, IT admins can manage installation tracking and policy delivery effectively, ensuring a smooth enrollment process.